Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. James Rule XRP for a quick video. Wow. I got up this morning. I can't have any coffee. I can't have any water because I'm going to the doctor today to get some dental work done. And I'm going to be out of pocket for a few days on YouTube. So, I figured I would go ahead and get this news out to everything that transpired yesterday. If you've been in this space for the last 4 to 5 years, we caught positive news every few days or every couple of weeks in the world of crypto. Well, now that we have a new administration and now that everything is going pro-crypto on blockchain, we're getting news every day and we're getting multiple pieces of news every day that is positive for this market. And we're going to look at some amazing things in this 10 to 12 minute video. I'm going to keep it short because I have to get out of here in an hour. But let's go ahead and do it. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto teacher. James Rule XRP at Rule XRP on X, formerly Twitter. One of my sponsors is ELLIPAL. And if you want to self-custody your crypto, keep it safe in an air-gapped cold wallet, which stores your crypto on the blockchain, and you have total control of your wallets, check out ELLIPAL. ELLIPAL has a huge line of wallets, including the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0, the ELLIPAL X card, and many other options. You back up your seed phrases. You never share them. If you put in the discount code JamesRule, you're going to get an additional $10 off of your order. Check out the ELLIPAL link below and tell them James Rule XRP sent you by. Crypto market, CoinGecko.com. Bitcoin is up to $117,000, people. Ethereum is $45.75. XRP, $3.12. And I very seldom scroll down, but if we come down here, and if you've done your research and you know what some of these other ones are, ADA is up to 91 cents. And then we come down here and we see XLM is 40 cents. HBAR is 24 cents. Let's see if we can find, where's VeChain at? VeChain. Where are you at? Did I pass you up already? But anyway, I do have, here it is. VeChain is 2.5 cents. It's number 70. It is a use case cryptocurrency. Don't buy it because I showed it to you. Buy it because you studied it and you know exactly what it is. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick. Yesterday, Jerome Powell the Fed cut the rates by a 1/4 point as expected and sees 2 more cuts this year, people. Are there going to be 2 more quarter cuts? Is it going to be a half a cut and then a quarter, making it a whole point? I mean, who knows? But anyway, anything, there hadn't been a rate cut in like 9 or 10 months. So everything is positive for the market, and other things that are positive for the market, you're going to freak out when you see this and you're going to want to share this video. Ripple Labs, introducing the next building block of on-chain markets. We're partnering with DBS Bank and Franklin Templeton, to establish repo markets powered by tokenized collateral and stablecoins. Investors will be able to use RLUSD to trade for Franklin Templeton money market funds, SG tokenized on the XRP ledger, people. I repeat, tokenized on the XRP ledger and listed on DBS's digital exchange, earning yield and opening new liquidity venues. Institutional momentum is building on chain. I'll leave a link to the link for this in the description of this video. Everything that runs on the XRP ledger is ran by the cryptocurrency XRP. Are you bullish on XRP? Are you bullish on RLUSD? Are you bullish on the new revolution of blockchain technology used in banks? You're going to be able to draw yield on your XRP. You're going to be able to hold on to your XRP tight and make interest off of the principal. You're not going to have to touch the principal here eventually because the value is going to go up so high that you're going to be able to live off the interest, people. Do you know what that means? ELLIPAL. Wow, there were so many amazing blockchain ecosystems and companies in Washington. And this is really amazing right here. It says, following up on my tweet last night about the banking GOP roundtable that was held this morning, yesterday, in addition to Charles Hoskinson, Ripple, and Andreessen Horowitz, I'm told that representatives from Kraken, Coinbase, Multicoin Paradigm, and Circle were also in attendance. Meeting lasted about an hour and a half and focused on refining language in the market structure draft. Charles Hoskinson, Ada Cardano. Great meeting today. XRP Nation, the Ripple folks did really well, as did A16Z. A lot more work to do, but great progress is being made on bipartisan legislation being passed this year. I think this is an AI-generated photo, but it's got Brad Garlinghouse, Charles. It could be a real photo. I don't know. It looks kind of AI-generated. I don't know. We'll find out. Monica Long, the president at Ripple, she was there yesterday, and she got to rub shoulders with politicians and founders and creators of these amazing blockchain technologies. This is what she had to say. Blockchain is a financial revolution, but has far from reached its potential, assimilating into existing infrastructure, mostly held back by legal uncertainty in the largest economy in the world. The good news is that rapidly changing. First, the Genius Act, then the Clarity Act coming up, and now the Responsible Financial Innovation Act taking shape in the Senate. It's incredible to see the outreach from lawmakers to our industry to listen to practical applications with a commitment to write good laws that will protect consumers, foster innovation, and flex with time. Thank you for your leadership on RFIA, Senator Tim Scott, Cynthia Lummis. During today's roundtable in D.C., we look forward to seeing crypto market structure written into law with bipartisan support that will set the stage for U.S. leadership in this blockchain revolution. And if we can get it written in stone today, if there's another Gary Gensler that takes office 4 years from now, or if there's another anti-crypto blockchain Senate that, joins the union or whatever, we're already going to have it written in stone. There's nothing they're going to be able to do about it. That's why it is important. That's why it is crucial that we teach our local representatives, that we teach our politicians, that we teach the Congress, the Senate, all the above, local states, everywhere, what this incredible blockchain is. And that's what these blockchain companies and fintech companies are doing right now. They're representing everybody in the world that is involved with crypto and blockchain. Here's another one for you. SBI Holdings launches SBI Hyper Deposit. Automated banking security transfers. Launch perks include XRP gifts and low mortgage rates. XRP gifts. That means you get free XRP from SBI Holdings from taking out loans. Get excited, people. Here's another bomb that hit yesterday. I tell you what, it just keeps going. And I'm going to make it short. I only got a few minutes left here. The SEC approves the listing and trading of Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and ADA, as well as a PM settled options on the CBOE Bitcoin US ETF Index and mini CBOE Bitcoin US ETF Index. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, ADA, people. It's getting approved, and it's happening. James Seifert. Wow, the SEC has approved generic listing standards for commodity-based trust shares, including crypto ETPs. This is the crypto ETP framework we've been waiting for. Get ready for a wave of spot crypto ETP launches in the coming weeks and months, people. Get ready. The SEC is letting it happen. The CFTC is going to be working on things as well. And you're going to be looking, October is pretty much the key month for the XRP ETFs, ETPs, funds, all the above. Next month is going to be crazy. And finally here, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says that he's in DC working to get crypto market structure legislation passed and making sure that we never have another Gary Gensler. Thank you, Jesus. Way to go, Brian Armstrong. And like I stated before, Gary Gensler in the past 4 years has stifled this technology, has sued companies, have ran fintech companies out of the United States. And I hate looking at his little goofy ass, but we're not going to have any more Gary Genslers because all of these laws are going to be written into stone, people. And we're going to be very, very wealthy because we took that path less traveled when people were laughing at us. XRP was 17 cents or 20 cents or 27 cents. And they were like, nah, that ain't going to work. It's all going to go to zero. Well, bless your hearts. You could still get it for $3.12. That's a bargain, people. $3.12 is a bargain right now. All right, everybody. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I'll be out for a few days, but I'll be back. I'll be getting the news out on X. So if you haven't followed me yet, follow me on X, which is formerly Twitter, at RLUSD. I get news out every day. Even though I can't talk on a video for a few days, I still get the news out there. So have a good day. I will see you on the flip side. And don't forget, people, I told you so.